As you move forward, strive to embody both qualities. Be excellent in pursuing yourselves to new heights and inspiring others to do the same. Be compassionate, recognizing that everyone around you have struggles and as such deserve kindness, understanding, and support. Rise above life's challenges and excellence and compassion guiding your way. So go, Padayon Batch Malasakit. The world needs you and your unique blend of talent, passion, and heart.
Tumindig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim.
To National University Dasmariñas, thank you for opening your doors to someone like me. Someone who simply wanted a chance to prove himself. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to study here under full scholarship, which allowed me to pursue my dreams without being a burden to my grandparents. And NU was more than just a school to me. It became my second home, where I found purpose, leadership, growth, and lifelong relationship. National University Dasmariñas has shaped not only my intellect, but also my character, work ethic, and a sense of purpose. And for that, I will always be grateful. As I take this next step in my professional career, I carry with me the lessons, experience, and the values that NU has instilled in me. And wherever I go, I promise to uphold the name of National University with pride, excellence, and integrity. To my fellow graduates, we may be closing this chapter, but the real journey is only just beginning. So let us face the world with courage, with purpose, and with malasakit, the very spirit that defines our batch and this university we now proudly represent.
So now as you move forward to the next chapter of your lives, and into your respective careers, may you live up to the ideals of being true-blooded Nationalians, as well with the responsibilities that you have because you are Nationalian towards our alma mater. Let's create a winning mindset. Work hard and never settle for being mediocre. Hindi pwede yung pwede na. You have to always, in everything you do, give it your best shot. Always remember that success does not only measure your achievements, but the learnings that you have acquired as you stride in that journey or the path. So go on and conquer the world through continuous learning. I am confident that you, the NU Dasmariñas Goldfish of classes of 2025, will positively contribute to the continuing, colorful, wonderful, and inspiring stories that will be added to the history of National University. With that, I wish you all the best, and remember that National University will always be your home.